the astral dimension. We want to record this video in order to explain to you a little bit better so you can understand what is this about the astral dimension. There are seven main and principal dimensions of nature. We are physically in the third dimension that have, of course, three aspects as the width, the length, and the height of the things or the phenomena, right? After the third dimension, that is the physical, exists the fourth dimension that masters of wisdom call the time. And the astral dimension is fifth dimension. That is the unknown dimension, named by so many esoteric people through the history. Also, the fifth dimension, that is the astral, is called the eternity, because in the eternity, time, that is from fourth dimension, do not exist. That's why somebody dreaming or having an astral projection consciously can travel through the time. Yes, you can see yourself existing in another physical body, what the people say is reincarnation, and also in which places you were living, with what people also you were sharing, among other aspects. But also, you can travel to the future. That's why sometimes you have this kind of deja vu in the third dimension, like a flash remembering of something about what you saw before in the astral world or the fifth dimension. We need to know that every single night or whichever time we go to sleep, our physical body is sleeping, then our soul leaves the physical body and go to the fifth dimension. Another law that influences in the third dimension is gravity, but in fourth and in fifth do not exist gravity. That's why you also could dream yourself like flying over the city, over your neighborhood, and in sometimes when you realize that you are in the physical, apparently, but you are dreaming in the fifth, then you come back, you return so fast to the physical. And that's why people awake like this, because we're flying, you were flying someplace, because gravity do not exist, you know? And there are so many laws that influence us in here, 48 laws, actually, that in the fourth and the fifth dimension don't influence us. So, through the astral projection techniques and knowledge that we are giving you through our profile, you can check our profile and also get access to the other videos we have. Then you can start to manage your astral body, the astral projection consciously. Also, in the next videos, we are going to explain how to clean, for example, your system, your physical body, especially one organ that we are going to tell you in the next videos that is very necessary and fundamental to clean in order also to get success in the astral projection. But about dimensions, you need to know that astral is fifth, the time is in the fourth, and our physical body and all what exists physically are in the third dimension. So, making the difference, we can know ourselves better and comprehend also better what is going on around the astral projection consciously. We will continue posting videos regarding these topics.